Hey guys, it's Tori from Calypso Creative Planning, and I've got a fun new tutorial slash plan with me video for you because someone had a question about my calendar overlay stickers. So I'm going to show you ways to use them, ways to customize them, and ways to plan with them. So let's do this. Okay, so if you haven't seen my calendar overlay bundle yet, I've got 3 different versions in here. There's a 1-page version, there's a 2-page version for my ring binders, and a 2-page version for my notebook style. So with each of these versions, there's a calendar that starts on each day of the week. So you can use these for any month of the year and for any year moving forward. You just pick the calendar that works for the month that you need it for. And if you haven't seen this yet, I just put out a brand new bundle with numbers that match my Valentine word stickers. So if you're looking for numbers that are a little bigger, more fun instead of simple, then this is the set you're going to go with. But either one works great. So in this video, I'm going to show you different ways to use them and customize them. And I'm going to go with these new Valentine ones just because the numbers are bigger and I feel like it'll be easier for you guys to see. And I'm going to start by pulling a calendar from my page bundle that matches my Love Story 1-month planner. And this is just the 1-page 5-week calendar. And it's a Monday start, but you know, obviously this works for a Sunday start. And you just copy the calendar that you need, depending on what day of the week the month starts. And you just line it up. Use the image tool so you know that you're going straight, because you know GoodNotes likes to tweak things just a little bit. And if it tweaks the size of your sticker, use the grips to push and pull. But it's so easy to just lay it on there. And I'm going to use the laser pointer so you can see this is where this border is where the sticker lines up. So that's how you know you've got it in the right spot, is if those edges line up with the edges of the calendar. But let's say you're in February and you only have 28 days. Just go to the freehand crop and just scribble around the numbers that you need to keep. So if you have 28 days or 30 days, then you can just crop out the numbers that you don't need, and it just lines up. And there you go. Your calendar's dated. You're done. How simple is that, right? I'm going to delete this since this is my page bundle and it's not staying. So simple. That's your 1-page one. So this is the 2-page version that works with the ring binder. So I'm going to open up the Teal and Gold DIY ring binder planner. And this is the 2-page layout, the 5-week one. I don't think I have a 6-week one. I think I just have a 5-week one for this. So this, for some reason, GoodNotes likes to change the proportions of your stickers sometimes. I don't know if anyone else has noticed this, but it happens. So if it does like this, just use the grips and squish it into place, and it fits. It just lines up just like the other one. I'm going to use the laser pointer so you can see that this is the borders that you want things to line up on. So if you have it lined up with that, then you know you have it in the right spot. And you can just do the same thing you did with the 1-page one and just use the freehand crop to just crop out the numbers that you don't need. So you're selecting the numbers you want to keep. That's how that works. And there you go. That's simple as can be. That is your 2-page spread for the ring binder. So now we're going to look at the other 2-page version. This one is for the notebook style planner in the 2-page monthly. So I'm going to go back to our Love Story page bundle, and there's this version of this calendar in there. So that's the one I'm going to show you here. And it works exactly the same way, and it lines up the same way as the other 2-page one. Just use your grips to stretch it out, or use the little corner thingy over there to stretch it out, whatever works to get it in the right spot. And I'll switch over to the laser pointer so you can see. Okay, I'm a little slow with the laser pointer. Come on. Laser pointer. I don't know what's saying so long. Clearly, I should have edited out a moment. That's fine. But so the laser pointer shows you that this is the area that it lines up with. And I mean, you're good to go. You're good to go, right? So I'm going to delete that because we're on our thing. So what happens if you have black pages? So the person this question came from, she was working with black pages. So shout out to Sherry. Hey. So she had black pages. So we're going to look at our black pages. So obviously these numbers are black. So, I mean, it works. You can sort of see them, but it's not exactly the pop you want on black pages, right? So I'm going to show you my trick. It's a fun trick. This is the reason why I haven't put these calendars out in different colors, because I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this. You're going to copy this and you're going to open up Procreate. Now, Sherry had a good trick for, she layered stickers and put the, white stickers and put the calendar on top. You can do that too, but if you want to change the color, this is how you do it. First, I'm going to stack my calendars because I do have a mini calendar and another calendar overlay that I've already messed with. So I'm going to stack those so they're all in one place. But you just add a new canvas, choose clipboard, and it pops it in what you've copied. So for this instance, I'm going to show you how to do it in white. I was going to put a sticker, but I was like, no, we'll just go with white. So you're going to create a new layer, choose your white color, drag it on. We're going to turn off our background and then choose clipping mask for that color that we just filled in there. And now it's white. So you just share it as a PNG, copy, and then you can go back to your planner. We're going to delete this black one because we don't need that. And we're going to paste it and boom, we have got white numbers on our black pages. How freaking fun is that, right? So obviously white, it's a good classic, black and white combo that works. But what if you want color to match the colors of your planner or the color scheme that you want to plan with? So I'm going to show you that. And it's super simple. Let's say, you want to match like stickers. So we're going to match a sticker for this one. So this obviously works for black too, but since I haven't set up my February, my monthly, I know we're 8 days in right now, but whatever, it's digital planning. We can do it anytime. So I'm going to set up my February monthly. So I'm going to choose the calendar that works for February, and we are going to go, let's see, what am I doing here? I'm going to choose my calendar for February. There you go. Let's get with this straight. We're going to resize this so that it fits, and you could just pull it directly into Procreate, but then you may end up having to size it again. So why not just size it how you want it? But we're going to size it. We're going to crop out the days that we don't want. So we're scribbling around the days we want to keep. There you go. So we got our February. Now we're going to copy this and we're going to put it in Procreate. And like I showed you before, I have a stack for my calendars that I'm using. So just add a new canvas from the clipboard and it just pastes it right in there. Now, I want to match the color scheme for my love story stickers and the planner and everything. So I'm going to go to my stickers and I'm going to pull the love story big sticker book and I'm going to grab this pretty pink color. And we're just going to, copy it, go back to our Procreate where we've got our calendar, hit the little gear and go to add and go to paste. And we're going to paste that sticker in there. I'm going to switch over to the freeform transformation. And I'm just going to drag the corners to where it's just outside. And we're going to do clipping mask. And there you go. Now it's pink. It's pink. It's pink. We just turn off the background and we share it as a PNG. And just copy. And then we can go back to our planner and paste this bad boy right in there. I'm going to get rid of the black one because we want some color. And boom, look at that. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. So this, my friends, is why I have not done my word stickers or my calendars in different colors, because you can just do whatever you want with these, right? You can make them match whatever you want. So going along with that, I'm going to go to my word stickers. This is the Valentine edition. I'm going to grab my February. Go back to Procreate, and I do have a stack in Procreate of numbers and words and stuff like that. I already have a February. Just ignore that because I'm going to show you from scratch. We're going to add a new canvas from the clipboard. And because I know I want to add a shadow to this, I'm going to resize the canvas so that I have a little bit more room because I want to add a shadow. So I need it to not be right up on the word. So there you go. We got that right. Now we're going to go back to our stickers. And if you haven't signed up for my mailing list, why not? But I just put out these sparkle mini kits. There's 2 pages of these. So you get two different colors. And it's all sparkly and pretty and all that. So I'm going to copy one of these and I'm going to paste it in here. And I'm going to use the freeform again. And I'm just going to size it up big enough to where it covers the letters for my word February, right? Because we just want some sparkle, right? And we're going to do the same thing. Clipping mask. Boom, look at that. And for the shadow, we are going to duplicate our February layer. Go to the one on the bottom. We're going to use the move tool, the transform tool, whatever. And we're just going to shift it down and to the side a little bit. You could leave it like this, or you could do the Gaussian blur. And we're just going to drag our pencil across the screen just so it softens that shadow just a bit. Turn off the background. Do the same thing. We're going to share as a PNG. And we're going to copy. And then we can add it to our planner. And now we've got a super fun February header. And oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Look at that. Okay. That's lovely, right? And I'm good because if I customize one of these words, I want to keep it because what if I want to use it again? I want to go through the whole process again. So since it's still copied, we can go back to our Valentine's stickers, and I have like a blank page going, and I'm just going to add it in there so that it's just kind of like, it's just there. If I need to use it again, I've got a floral Saturday one, that day off one. You'll see that in Friday's video. So, stick around for that. Want to stick around, like come back. I mean, don't sit here until Friday. That's just weird. But I already had a 2022 sticker in my page, in my Procreate. So I'm going to use that same pink sticker. So just go back to the big book and I can pull that pink, and we're just going to paste it in there and make our 2022 pink so that it goes along with our little numbers. And this process is really simple. I hope I'm not going too fast. If I'm going too fast, you guys tell me, because I purposely did not speed up this video, because sometimes I speed up the video a little bit just so, it's not too terribly long. But I purposely didn't speed this up at all. But I'm used to doing this. So if I go too fast, you got to let me know so I can slow down. But, you can always rewind, go back and check it out if you need to. But see, now we have a 2022 that's pink, and it matches the pink of our numbers. And oh, I just love it. It's so pretty. So pretty. All right, so now I'm going to pull in one of my really big box stickers to cover up that little note area off to the side. I'm going to go with the pink and black one. It's black with like shimmery pink polka dots. So I'm going to, I know it's polka dots, but that's just boring, but whatever. All right, so I'm going to resize this. And normally I like to use the corner one to resize in one direction where it needs to be, and then just stretch the middle, stretch the top, just whichever one needs to be done. But I just love it. So pretty. All right, so now down at the bottom, I want to add just some pretty washi. So I'm going to grab one of these long pieces of washi. And look, I've said it before, I'll say it again, and I'll say it again and again because, pet peeve of mine. Don't stretch it out. I mean, yes, you could just use the grips and stretch, but then you're going to get really distorted flowers and it's not going to look good. So just don't do it. Sometimes it's okay, but you don't have to just stretch all the time. So just crop a little bit. I want it to be a little bigger, so I'm going to just crop down a little more and see how it doesn't distort the flowers. You get big, bold flowers there instead of weird squishiness that would be like a really abstract, like what's going on there type of thing. So please don't use the crop tool. You don't have to stretch all the time. Okay? Please. Okay, but that's it. That's all I'm doing for today. But hopefully this all makes sense, and this gives you good ideas for how you can customize your spreads, customize those words, save them. You could copy this pink calendar into that overlay bundle so you can use it again if you want to. But yeah, okay, that's it. I'm out, guys. Bye. Catch you next time.